Good morning. I am at the Senator James Rhodes Nature Trail, which would be that way beyond the cars. Now, I had been here before in the summer, a couple of different times, but today I'm here because I saw a sign out there when I left. It was called the Bolick Project. And since then I've done some research on that, and I have discovered that this pond that I thought was just a pond when I was here before is much more than just a pond. It is the Bolick Project. And what it is a passive treatment plan. A passive wetland treatment plan, which was put in here in 2010. And when this pond was made, before it was made, most likely, there are a couple of different ways of doing this project, but most likely it was used with limestone. So there's a layer of limestone down below and maybe some compost. And what it does is filter the mine drainage out before it gets into the Mahonoy Creek. So I'll take a walk over here. We'll take a look at the creek. When I was out here before, I knew that there was some sort of pollution problem in the Mahonoy Creek, and I figured it was mine drainage. I could tell by how red it got. Brown, reddish, coming down through here. Of course, being from Schuylkill County here and being out and about, I do run into this. So it's an interesting project. Good, safe, environmental way of cleaning up our creeks here in Schuylkill County from all the mine damage that was done. I'm going to cross this creek. And there it is, Mahonoy Creek. The bridge crossing Bolick Road. You can see how brown it is. I'm not quite sure if it means anything, but I thought maybe in the summer it was more reddish, whether it changes with the seasons of the year. I'm here in December the 17th. I'm going to take a walk up through here and show you the Mahonoy Creek up above here, where I thought maybe it was more redder this year. And we'll see if that makes a difference up there. I doubt it. Of course it isn't. See if it's being filtered out. We have a runoff down through here. Might possibly one way of getting it down through there filtered. Although I'll say this, that they have determined that iron goes through 800,000 gallons of water per day here at this project. And estimated at that there is 185 pounds of iron kept from the Mahonoy Creek per day. So it does have an advantage. There's no chemicals being used, no chemical treatment process plants. There's very little maintenance. The disadvantages is that, well, it is at the whim of Mother Nature. And if it gets too cold in the winter, and if it freezes up down below, then things can all kind of change. And also, of course, Mother Nature has a way of changing the drainage too. It might not work, might not flow down through here. They estimate that this is good for about 20 years. So probably if it was made in 2010, in about 10 years, they're probably going to have to come in here, drain this, pull out that limestone, add new limestone, and fill it back up again. I'm just going to show this. Maybe somebody knows the purpose. What is this doing? I'm sure it's part of the drainage operation. Very much important part of it. But that's interesting. You can see the pipe, the metal pipe there. Going into the pond. But that's definitely a part of it, of the whole operation. And right up here is the Mahonoy Creek again. And I'm just going to take a walk down through here. And I want to see. Possibly where it's draining from the pond to the Mahonoy Creek. Yeah, so that's interesting. Well, thanks for watching. I was just looking here to see whether it was up in here where the mining was being done. I would think up in there somewhere. Okay. Once again, thanks for watching.